the aim of our today's experiment is to determine focal length of concave mirror using image of a distant object. And here the materials required are a concave mirror, a mirror holder, a mirror stand, an optical bench, a meter scale, and a board which I'll use as a screen. I have pasted a white paper on the board and one pencil. The concave mirror forms a real image and it forms the image on the same side of the object. So our object is this side, so I'll get the image on the same side here only. So I have kept this mirror at a distance of 60 cm from the origin. This is our origin. So and mirror is kept at a distance of 60 cm. Our pole or our object is on this side. So I will keep the screen in this direction only. But before that I have to tilt the mirror slightly so that I get the image of the pole on the screen. I have tilted this mirror because otherwise I'll get the shadow of screen on the mirror. Now I am bringing this screen closer to the mirror to obtain a clear image. I'll stop when I get a clear image of the pole. At this point I am getting a clear image of the pole. I'll mark this point with the pencil so that I can measure it later. So now we'll measure the distance of the marked point from the origin by this measuring scale, and it is coming out to be 45.1 centimeter. So the distance of the screen we got was 45.1 centimeter from the origin. This is our origin. So this is our observation table. Here the position of concave mirror was 60 cm from origin and the position of screen we got was 45.1 cm. So the focal length, which will be position of concave mirror minus position of screen, m minus s, which I am getting is 14.9 cm. For next two observations, we'll keep the position of concave mirror to be 60 cm, and for that I am getting as a position of screen as 45 cm. By this I'll get a focal length of 15 cm, and in another reading I am getting the position of screen as 45.2 cm and focal length as 14.8 cm. So we'll take the mean of these focal length, and which will be 14.9 plus 15 plus 14.8 divided by 3. So this will come out to be 14.9 centimeter. So the result of our experiment is that we got the focal length of concave mirror as 14.9 centimeter.